In front of me is Honor 200 Smart, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to Hit Apps. Now select AppTwin over here and tap on grey switcher next to any app you wish to clone. When you finished, just go back. As you can see, after that my app was successfully cloned. To delete this clone, go back to the same settings and click on the No Blue switcher. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!